Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down the computer and unplug the PSU so you work safely. Open the case and inspect the drive bay and cables. Identify a SATA 2. 5. SSD versus an M2 NVMe. NVMe does not use PSU power. Once done, find a free SATA power cable or a Molex to SATA adapter from the supply unit. Make sure the cable is long enough and not obstructing fans. Then route it toward the intended mounting position so you're ready for the physical connection. You now connect the cables. Align the SATA power connector with the SSD's L-shaped notch and push until it seats firmly. Do not force. Then attach a SATA data cable from the SSD to an available SATA port on the motherboard. Choose a low-numbered port for convenience. Once cables are connected, mount the drive in a tray or bracket and secure it with screws or the case's tool-less clip. Make sure cables are neat, avoid sharp bends, and confirm connectors are fully seated before closing the case. You finish by reconnecting the PSU and powering on the machine. Enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive appears in the device list. If visible, boot into your operating system and use Disk Management or Disk Utility to initialize, partition, and format the new SSD. If the drive is not detected, power down, reseat the SATA power and data cables, try a different SATA port or cable, and make sure the PSU cable is functional. This simple reseating step fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.